YouTube, it's your boy So Nami Poppy. Yes, we're back with another video, back with another video. You already know the vibes, y'all. Listen, y'all, I finally did it. I turned Super Saiyan 3 in free roam. Do you see how sexy this looks? Oh my god. Yo, I'ma just casually walk around with long blonde hair. Look, I'm holding up traffic. Feel me? Look at this. Your boy holding up traffic. Yeah. Look at this. Sexy as hell. Wow. Oh my god. Hold up. I want to see if I can catch that car. Come in. Yeah. Yeah. I caught up. But this is dope, y'all. Like, I hope they don't patch this. This is one of the things that I really enjoy. I could walk around as a Super Saiyan 3. I'm holding up traffic. Yeah. I'm holding up traffic, y'all. Where's Vegeta and... Oh, shit. What do you want?
Whoa, this one seems pretty tough.
But, yeah, like, go check out my other videos on how to do this method. This is really cool.